Hi everyone, this is Susie. So today I'm going to be making some tostadas de cueritos, and what I have here is 4 cups of oyster mushrooms. I washed them and then I just chopped them in little pieces like this, and they're completely raw. You don't have to cook them or anything. And I don't think they'll taste the same with any other type of mushroom. So if you don't have the oyster ones, I can't guarantee that they're gonna taste good, okay? And then I also have 2 tablespoons of white vinegar, 2 tablespoons of the juice or the liquid of the jalapeño peppers. And then I have 2 tablespoons of water, just regular water, and some dry oregano and some salt to taste, okay? So what I'm gonna do is we're just gonna throw this in here, throw all the ingredients in here. It's a really simple recipe, and I'm gonna do the oregano. So what I do is with the oregano, this is about 1 teaspoon, but start with less, and then just crush it in your hands. Just pour it in there. And I'm gonna add the salt in. I'll be right back. Okay, so this is what it looks like. I apologize that it's a little bit dark in here, but the lights went out because we had a big storm. So I hope that you can see it. Okay, and you just mix everything in there, and I used a little less than a teaspoon of salt, but just try it and see how it tastes for you. And as always start with less of the amounts that I give you, and then you can always add more if you like of either the vinegar or the jalapeño juice or whatever it is that I add to it, okay? Okay, so I have the tostadas with whatever brand that you guys like. And here are the cueritos, and then I have some pinto beans that I just blended them in the blender. I didn't even fry them or anything. You can either blend them or mash them or refry them, however you like. And then I have some cabbage and some salsa. And this salsa is you just grab some raw tomatoes, put them in the blender, a little piece of white onion, and you put some jalapeños like the ones I showed you in the can to your taste. You can start with a few pieces and then add some of the juice also, some of the liquid of the jalapeño juice, a little bit of salt, and if you want to make it a little bit more spicy, just add some red chiles de arbol, or you can add a little bit of my chile bruto, and I'll leave the recipe in the description box if you want to make that more spicy. And you blend that up. You put it in your little bowl and you add a little bit of dry oregano as well, okay? I'll leave the recipe in the description. I'm not gonna make the recipe again because I've done it for the other tostadas and the enchiladas, and it's the same recipe actually for that, okay? So you're just gonna put your beans here, and these are room temperature. You don't want them hot because then they'll sag. The tostada is gonna get like really saggy really quick. So I usually have these either room temperature or even cold if you like. So just put some beans, and then put a little bit of a cabbage. And you can use probably lettuce. If you don't have cabbage, you can just use lettuce. And then the cueritos. Oh my goodness. I had been craving these for years because I used to love cueritos. And if you don't know what they are, they come from the pork. It's part of the pork. And I used to love these things. And then you add your salsa. And you can add cheese like my queso fresco if you like, or any type of cheese that you like if you want to add it to it. But honestly, it doesn't even need it. Like, I don't feel like it needs the cheese. It's good just like the way it is. Doesn't that look delicious? Oh my goodness. Oh my god, that looks so delicious. Okay, so let's give this baby a try. This is so good. This is so good. If you guys used to eat cueritos, I think this is really gonna give you like that same flavor that the cueritos have, like that vinegary, flavor that it has, and because these mushrooms don't have a lot of flavor on their own, they absorb anything that you put on them. That's why I like them so much. So I really think you're gonna like this recipe, and as you saw, it was super simple and really quick. And obviously the longer that the cueritos sit, the more they absorb the flavor of the vinegar and the oregano. So I think that's it for today. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope to talk to you soon. Have a great day. Bye.